My name is Rowan Betchman. I'm one of the directors of Viva La Dirt League, and I play Bodger the Blacksmith in D&D. So we first dipped our toes into D&D about 4 years ago with the Descent into Avernus campaign. So right from the very first one, we knew we had to kind of deal with a multicam setup, but we just cobbled together any cameras we could find and basically just made it work as best as we could.
Initially, we had to hire a whole lot of crew, we had to hire a whole lot of actors, and it was a real hassle. But now having the Blackmagic cameras in-house, it's so easy. We can do it with such a small crew, and just the whole process is significantly easier.
For me, the greatest thing about this Blackmagic setup is how everything is connected. Everything matches. I can control everything from one board. All these cameras, I mean, their color science create the colors and the kind of feel that we've been really wanting for this kind of setup for quite some time.
So the first time I saw our very first game filmed right here with all the Blackmagic cameras set up on a multicam, my mind was blown. I was so stoked.
We literally lost our minds when we saw all of the Blackmagic cameras pointed at the set for the first time. It looked so good, and to be able to switch on the ATEM board and see all the different shots, and then even just playing in the space, it just felt so good.
You can live stream at 1080, but at the same time we're also recording on the cameras at 4K, and via the board we get a Resolve timeline so that we can live stream straight away and then put all of that footage straight into our system, because we already run DaVinci Resolve, and link all that footage together and create our high-end, high-resolution YouTube series.
So a big thanks to Blackmagic for making our whole workflow for our D&D series so much better.